How have you been doing, my people? Episode 16 of Kikuyu Gossip Club. This is Kikuyu Gossip Club episode 15 na episode 16 na niye jitago holiday kure mwana wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Ogethio ni follow ko no jigwe wega muno dio imukorato muhana ati. I don't know how your day was. Muthenya wako wakorwo wi fiti muno eni na ngaigua kwira ngai ni thengio muno ni undu ohoro cio ni dio mwakorwo muhana ati. A lot of things happening amaundu maingi makorwo makihanika muthenya wa umuthi. And guess what, that is why we are here today, nigetha tukao tukiareria maundu macio mothe. Nego thiete na rwimbo ruru ni rwa Chege wa Wiri, released 4 years ago with 4 million views. Gotwire urerora show ino wimwe na uriku place yoyote nyeuko. Kindly tell us unatuona ukiwa wapi na nigetha maundu makorwo me fiti. Umuthi twina maundu maingi muno maria tuko tukereria no mbere ya maundu macio mothe ngohana njira giteo. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel kuri mana wa YouTube, ikorwo ku mana wa Facebook oni follow, ikorwo kuri mana wa TikTok tuke wa kuni follow, na maundu nimekorwo me fiti. Twina maundu maingi muno maria tuko tukereria muthenya wa umuthi. But before we start that, we have the light trends of the day. Na umuthi hena ndereti yakoro igitrend muno kuria online. Nao ni thutha wa bica cia Triza Zebed gukorwo cigithi na mbere cigithi nende-ini cia ukinyaniria na njira nene muno muthenya wa ira thutha wake kurekereria rwimbo na pale hivyo tukaona hakuwa na kiremba na muthenya wa umuthi kwakorwo gukirekererio bica cia andu angi takamuhunjia ona keneregete kuruta kiremba na mutumia Mary wa Heze uria wari mutumia wa Heze Ndung'u nake ni ararutire kiremba. And the big question is niki marata murithie iremba ici ithi, mbona wanagongesha viremba chini? Ni gukoretwo na ndereti ya muthenya wa umuthi na pale hivyo watu wanashangaa what is not happening. Agi makiuga ati ni wega akorwo we ni uramenya wi mukurino na mithiire yaku ti miega uguo kaba urute kiremba nigetha ndukakorwo ukijanjwo na kiremba. There are many times you have seen andu makijanjwo tondu mena kiremba, and of course no nginya janjwo we na kiremba because kiremba ni dariri kana ni sign ya uthingu, koguo ndongikorwo ugika maundu mangi wina kiremba. But I'm not saying that andu acio makorwo makiruta kiremba that is Triza Zebed kamuhunjia na Mary wa Heze ati tia thingu, only that rimwe mundu ni akoragwo akiona kaba kuhe kiremba giki gitio. We have been seeing hena mukorino tukoretwo tukiona irafu-ini aki dance kule hivyo in a way that is not appropriate. Ni muthuri by the way akorirwo kuma kuiva ya Kenwe Kihingurwe. Remember that story, it trend in a very big way. Na rimwe ni wega mundu mukorino akona kama unaona hautawezana na kupelekana na hiyo mambo, toa hiyo kiremba iweke chini na maundu ni megukora mefiti. I don't know what you guys think about that story. Ni uhoro wakoro ukihutiririo haria na njira nene muno. Triza Zebed ni ayumiririe na akoro agitetera na amejitetea pale hivyo na akasema yo uhonokio wakwa wi ngoro-ini na ti kiremba-ini koguo acio marauga ati ni arekire uru gukorwo akiruta kiremba makorwo makimenya uguo. Ndio maoni maku megie uhoro ucio. On to another light trend of the day ni ati umuthi Infotrack ni makorirwo makirekereria the best performing MPs as at 2024 na ndumiriri iyo ni atiga a Kenya makenete na angi makirigwo ni ati kurathi na mbere tondu abunge ao matironekana. It has sent shockwaves. It has sent shockwaves in other parts of the country. Na turona Infotrack irauga ati mubunge uria ukoretwo akiruta wira na njira nene fiu thiini wa bururi wa Kenya ni Honorable Babu Owino wa Embakasi East na 72%. Afuatitwo ni Honorable Dede Nyoro wa Kiharu. Afuatitwo ni Honorable Kalasinga Joseph Simiyu wa Kabuchai. Number 4 ni Honorable Boy Robert wa Kathiani na number 5 Honorable Gathoni wa Mushoba wa Githunguri. Those are the top 5 most performing members of parliament in the country as at 2024 according to Infotrack. Na ira nturathomiire ya magavana na ya magavana pale hivyo tuliona Kang'ata wa Barua niwe urari na bemwe na thaici turona bado in the top 5 hena mundu wa Murang'a haria uretwo Dede Nyoro. Me, I don't know what you guys think about this story. Do you kana MP waku ni muonete in the top 10 ona tutikauge top 100 top 10 or even he hado muonete list ineo because we have MP mwenye ni woko mwisho kabisa. We have 200 and something MPs. If these are the top performing MPs, MP waku eku ni akoretwo akiruta wira kuringana na uria gufatie in a way that ni akorankwo Infotrack top 100. These are some of the questions here to fight tukiurania before we go and start saying that 2027 tutaweka huyu MP, tutaweka huyu governor, tutaweka huyu ikiti, you know. Huyu hajui tunaingia live na simu. Huyu hajui tunaingia live na simu. Anapiga tu hata ashtuki. Anyway, hemo doko geragia kuhurira hau. Na tukugaga it is good that tukarora report taici cia Infotrack. Nigetha tugakorwo tukimenya who is performing, who is not performing. Nigetha tukinya 2027 tukamenya in 2024 this was the best performing MP. In 2025 this was the best performing MP. In 2026 this was the worst performing MP. Nigetha maundu magakorwo mefiti na tugakorwo tukiruta wira wa wananchi wa guthura andu aria mafati gukorwo me kuria ite-ini cia utongoria. On to another story ni ati muthenya wa umuthi niguo JCM Church ikumakagi 2 years since it started. JCM Church started in 2023 February na niguo makorirwo na service yao ya mbere haria varsity office-ini cia Kengei Live Studios na pale hivyo since that time 2 years down the line ni mama nejete gukorwo na 88 branches in the country and 5 branches outside the country na Bishop Ben ni hotete ku rise from the pastor's rank to the bishop's rank within 2 years na inakuwa progress ingine pale hivyo kubwa sana and we congratulate Bishop Ben and the entire JCM Church fraternity ndio wa gukoro makiran kanitha in a way that ni koretwo make such big moves within that short time. Congratulations and we wish more and more and more and more from JCM Church. Ni ndio maoni makumegi uhoro ucio. I just wish kanitha ucio ni guthi na mbere uria gufatie. On to another story ni ati gwiroragira he podcast gwiroragira muthenya wa umuthi niko naangalia podcast fulani pale hivi ya Maureen actress na umwana mwiretu witagwo Hannah Benta. Hannah Benta ekugaga I only date married men. Dia kani muraigwa Hannah Benta augire I only date married men we dagi date mundu utari na mutumia. This is coming from one of the very influential ladies or very influential TikTokers right now in the country. Na adakora na ciuria nyingi muno ngiuria, what is not happening? Right now, ladies wanna prefer watu wenye wako na watu already, and that is shocking like nobody's business. Ndio maoni makumegi orosho. Mimi sijui what you think about that story, but iliniwacha nikishtuka nikasema no ginya nego kajuge ha nigetha aikro hena mundu ina maoni megi orosho auge onake nigetha tumenye hey. Because some things are tough. Into another story, nigetha tuigire the main stories of the day ni ati the ICTCS William Kafogo thutha wake kuga ati no ahote gukambiriana na andu aria marakorwo magituma mbica iria cirakorwo cikenyururia atongoria kuhuthira mutambo wa AI. Umuthi ni acemanirie na OpenAI CEO uretwo Sam Altman kuria AI Action Summit in Paris. Some of the things that I expected ni akorirwo akiaria muthenya wa umuthi ni among hizo vitu za maybe could regulate AI, maybe such things nicio could I expect maybe ni akorirwo akiaria muthenya wa umuthi, but the fact is that ni makorirwo magicemania nake, and that should show that Kafogo at least is working. Now the best thing ni kumpatia chance tuone penye atafikisha hiyo ICT docket. We cannot judge as early as now tuseme dagehota wira keke. We just give him time tuone kama ataweza kufanya kazi, and I know things are going to be all right. The last story together to get main stories of the day ni ati DJ Dibul and Dorea Chege have announced that they will be expecting a baby girl. Umuthi ni makorirwo haria maki announce, and they have said that mara expecting koroma kiuga geminya, and that is a baby girl, and we hope that all is going to be well. It is going to be a safe delivery, na mambo itakuwa fiti pale hivyo tukue in-laws wa Dibul and Dorea Chege Jr. Torekia light trends of the day, dada tugire hari main stories of the day. Muthenya wa umuthi ni gukorirwo na gikaro kuria bunge, na gikaro giki ni after gikaro kiria kirakorirwo ku muthenya wa ira, kiria kirakorirwo na mwaki munene muno kuria bunge-ini. Tuliweza kuona pale hivyo kulikuwa very heated debate muthenya wa ira making'ang'anira who is the majority and who is the minority, na speaker wa National Assembly Moses Wetangula ararikia kuga ati muthenya wa umuthi niguo egukorwo akidetermine who will be sitting in the majority side and who will be sitting in the minority side. And now muthenya wa umuthi ni ayumiririe na akorwo agitangatha ati kuringana na information iria enayo na kuringana na research iria agikite na uria makirikite gukorwo makierewana na advisors ake na lawyers ake ni ati the majority in parliament is Kenya Kwanza. This is contrary to what the court had said previously. Todo igotirira ugete ati the majority ni Azimio coalition, and it was so unconstitutional for the Speaker of the National Assembly to announce Kenya Kwanza as the majority. Ndio maana makumegi horoyo, but it was something that Azimio coalition did not take lightly. Na maumurokire kure ko igoti ko bunge-ini na makoro mageta press haria maugire ati matire maraiganira kana matina iganira noguo speaker akorirwo akiuga ati tio majority. Oho ne kuyumiririe ka video kulitokea ka video pale hivyo me hauja matare maraikara hau press conference makiuga ati ni wa Munyoro direct, na ne video ikorirwo ikituthura direct nene muno guku nende-ini cia ukinyaniria, because they say in politics nothing happens out of mere coincidence. Ati gutiri undu wikikaga oguo hatari undu mubange, and the politicians were chanting that wa Munyoro express kuonani ati ona goko mwena wa thirikari kungirunda no mathie mwena wa Munyoro tondu nikuo kuraria thaici, and it is something that najua may send very big shockwaves to the Kenya Kwanza government, considering the fact that thaici thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni koretwo ikigomirwo ni mathina maingi muno, because right now it is very unpopular. Ni ndio maoni makumegi uhoro uyu tondu MP acio a Azimio ona ni maugire ati ni marona ati matiratritwo uria gubatie, na koguo na ni maraga gitumi gia gukorwo na mubango wa broad based government, na mauga ati kungithio guo no makorwo makieheria uhoro ucio wa broad based government. Ndio maoni maku tondu ona Junet Mohammed ni augire ati their stay there is determined by what is going to happen in Addis Ababa. githurano kia AU kiria baba atanyitwo gukorwo agithurwo ta AUC chairman muthenya wa Saturday kana Sunday. Niyo maoni maku megie uhoro ucio. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about that story. On to the next story ya muthenya wa umuthi ni ati Waititu baba yao umuthi ni umwe na cira kuri igoti-ini na ni cira ukoretwo kuo for the longest time